We are going to start off by making a magic ring. Insert the hook inside, yarn over and chain 1. Make 16 double crochet inside the magic ring. Once you get 16 double crochet inside the magic ring, just pull that short yarn tail under to fully secure your circle. Slip stitch on top of the first double crochet to close your work. Chain 1 and you can cut off the yarn, because next we're going to move to a different yarn color for the next round. Make a slip knot or just fold the yarn like I did, then insert the hook in any stitch of your choice. Join with a slip stitch, chain 1 to secure your work. Yarn over, insert the hook into that same stitch. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, pull through, repeat the same process 3 times, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain 1 to secure, and repeat the same process in each stitch all around. Just make sure you are yarning over 3 times without pulling any loop, then you can pull all 7 loops in total that should be on the hook. Then chain 1 to secure your puff stitch, then continue doing that all the way until end of the round. At the end you must have a total of 16 puff stitches. Slip stitch on top of that chain 1 you have made on your puff stitch, the first one you have started with, to secure your work. Chain 1 to close that round, and you can cut off the yarn, because to the next round you're going to use a different yarn color. Make a slip knot or just fold the yarn like I did, then this time around you're going to work in between the puff stitches. Start in between any puff stitch of your choice. Chain 1 to fully secure that yarn, then make 3 double crochet between that same space. Make more 3 double crochet in the next space. Continue the same process all the way until end of the round. At the end, slip stitch to join on top of the first double crochet stitch. Chain 1 to fully secure your work. And you can cut off the yarn, because next you're going to move to a different yarn color again to create corners. Make a slip knot or just fold the yarn, then this time around we are going to work between those 3 double crochet we have made. Chain 1 to fully attach your yarn, then make 3 double crochet inside that same space. Continue making 3 double crochet between those double crochet stitches you have made until you reach the 4th space. Just remember you are working between 3 double crochet stitches that you have made. Create your first corner, chain 2, then make more 3 double crochet into that same space. Then continue making 3 double crochet between each spaces until you reach the 4th one. Then once you reach the 4th space, again make the 2nd corner and just continue doing that all the way until you reach the first 3 double crochet space you have started with to make your last corner. Actually, you are going to complete that incomplete corner you have started with. To complete your last corner, make 3 double crochet into that same space you have started with, chain 2, then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet you started with to secure your work, chain 1, and you can cut off the yarn. Then you are done with your sunburst granny square.